not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
So we have officially had our first night at the family compound in our home, and we are ready to give you guys a tour.
All right, so we're in our flagstone area. If you haven't seen the video on flagstone, go check that out. By the way, the other people who have done flagstone videos in the past make it look easy. I'm still angry. I'm still suffering from anger from the fact that it's not easy at all. We've got a little fire pit out here, some seating areas, and then you can see that leads directly into the back porch, the overhang. So when we designed the house, we wanted to have a little bit bigger porches, so we extended those so we would have a good outdoor space that was covered.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free with me.
So out here and in the yard, we still have several projects going on. We're building some tables, we're doing some different things like that. And we're also going to be doing a hot tub in this particular area. We've just got the wiring set up for that. All right, so let's head around to the front of the house. Okay, quick stop on the way to the front of the house. Got to point out the generator, game changer. It's come on 6 times since we've been here. 3 or 4 of those were during the hurricane. So wonderful. Power goes out, 10 seconds later, power's back on.
All right, come around the front. We spent a lot of time doing our landscaping as they were building, so that when we got in the house, I think we're just excited, that's all. So we have a lot of our landscaping done, and here is the front of our house, which originally was designed to be the back of the house, but we wanted our front with all the windows to face the mountain. So this area right here at the front of the house is going to be where our garage is planned. So we got our permit. Some folks came and put up the forms and got the concrete laid down, which was so nice because if you've built before, you know you can get real tired of mud and dirt real fast. And now our concrete pad is ready to go, ready for them to come put the garage up.
Now it's time to head inside the house.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights doubt with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me.
Probably needless to say, we are absolutely in love with our new place and our new house on the family compound. But family compound means just that. There's more than one of us. So if you've watched our other videos, you know that Kenzie and Sean are going to be building on one side of us, and our other daughter and her husband, Taylor and Eric, are going to be building on the other side. Now, Kenzie and Sean have not started their build yet, but Taylor and Eric have, so let's go check in and see how their build is coming along.
Before we head over to Taylor and Eric's, we're going to show you our well house, one of our little projects that we did.
So we've decided to come out here and check out Taylor and Eric's place, and someone's here. They're obviously working, so they're in the process of getting their place done. It's not done yet, but they do have siding on, insulation, all of that, and hopefully it's going to be done within the next couple months because they're also having a baby. It's exciting, it's getting done.
It is.
When the framing goes up on a house, it starts to feel like we are getting started and you get excited. And when the drywall starts to go up, you feel like it's getting finished and you get excited. So I know they're gonna be excited when they come out and see all that.